Summer is a season filled with sunshine, outdoor activities, vacations, and longer days. While many people focus on staying hydrated by drinking more water, what we eat during the hottest months of the year is just as important. High temperatures can increase fluid loss through sweating, affect our appetite, and place extra stress on the body. Choosing the right seasonal foods can help us stay hydrated, maintain energy, support digestion, protect our skin from sun damage, and provide essential vitamins and minerals that keep us feeling our best. Nature actually provides many of the foods our bodies need during summer. Fresh fruits and vegetables reach their peak during this season, offering high water content, refreshing flavors, and nutrients that help us handle the heat more effectively. Today, we're looking at 8 of the best foods you should include in your summer diet and exploring why each one deserves a place on your plate. Let's begin with one of the most iconic fruits of summer. Watermelon is often called the perfect summer fruit, and for good reason. More than 90% of watermelon is water, making it one of the most hydrating foods available. During hot weather, our bodies lose water through sweat much faster than usual, and eating watermelon helps replenish some of that lost fluid. But watermelon offers much more than hydration. It's rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps the body produce collagen, an important protein for healthy skin. It also contains vitamin A, which supports eye health and helps maintain healthy skin tissues. One of the standout nutrients in watermelon is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives the fruit its bright red color. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some research suggests that lycopene may support heart health and help reduce the effects of sun-related skin damage over time. Watermelon also contains potassium, an important mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle function, and blood pressure. Since sweating causes the body to lose electrolytes like potassium, eating foods that naturally replace them can be beneficial during summer. Another advantage of watermelon is that it's naturally low in calories while still being satisfying. This makes it an excellent snack for people who want something sweet without consuming excessive amounts of sugar or fat. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, added to fruit salads, or paired with mint and feta cheese, watermelon is one of the easiest and healthiest ways to stay refreshed during hot weather. Our second summer superfood is cucumber. Like watermelon, cucumbers contain an impressive amount of water, around 95%. This makes them one of the most hydrating vegetables you can eat. They're crisp, refreshing, and perfect for helping cool the body on hot days. Cucumbers are also low in calories while providing valuable nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of vitamin C. Vitamin K plays an important role in maintaining healthy bones and supporting normal blood clotting. The skin of the cucumber contains fiber, which helps support healthy digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. During summer, when travel, outdoor eating, and changes in routine can sometimes disrupt digestion, including fiber-rich foods can help maintain gut health. Cucumbers also contain plant compounds known as antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins, which help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Many people enjoy cucumbers simply sliced into salads, but they can also be blended into cold soups, added to sandwiches, infused into drinking water, or served with yogurt-based dips for a refreshing snack. Because cucumbers are so light and easy to digest, they make an excellent choice when heavy meals feel less appealing during hot weather. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Our third essential summer food is tomatoes. Although commonly treated as vegetables in cooking, tomatoes are actually fruits. They are packed with nutrients that provide significant health benefits throughout the year, but they're especially valuable during summer because this is when fresh tomatoes are at their sweetest and most flavorful. Tomatoes are one of the richest dietary sources of lycopene, the same antioxidant found in watermelon. Lycopene has been widely studied for its potential role in supporting heart health, protecting cells from oxidative damage, and promoting healthy skin. Tomatoes are also rich in vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Vitamin C supports immune function and helps the body absorb iron, while potassium contributes to healthy blood pressure and muscle function. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes can actually increase the availability of lycopene, making tomato sauces and soups excellent options alongside fresh tomatoes. Adding tomatoes to salads, sandwiches, pasta dishes, grilled vegetables, or homemade salsa is an easy way to increase your intake of important nutrients while enjoying delicious seasonal flavors. Our fourth summer favorite is berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, berries are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Berries are particularly rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, supports wound healing, and promotes healthy skin. Since sun exposure can increase oxidative stress in the skin, eating antioxidant-rich fruits may help support the body's natural defense systems. Blueberries are especially well known for their high concentration of anthocyanins, the natural pigments responsible for their deep blue color. These compounds have been linked to improved brain function, healthy aging, and cardiovascular health. Strawberries provide generous amounts of vitamin C along with manganese and fiber. Raspberries offer one of the highest fiber contents among fruits, helping improve digestion and keeping you feeling full longer. Despite their sweet taste, berries are relatively low in calories and contain less sugar than many other fruits, making them a smart choice for satisfying sweet cravings while supporting overall health. Fresh berries can be enjoyed alone, added to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, salads, or frozen for a refreshing summer snack. Our fifth food is leafy greens. Many people naturally eat lighter meals during summer, making this the perfect season to increase your intake of leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, kale, arugula, and romaine. Leafy greens provide essential vitamins including vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate, magnesium, calcium, and iron. Leafy greens are also rich in dietary nitrates, compounds that may help improve blood flow and support healthy blood pressure. Their high fiber content promotes digestive health while helping maintain a healthy weight by increasing feelings of fullness without adding many calories. Summer salads filled with colorful vegetables provide not only hydration, but also a wide variety of antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by heat and sun exposure. Adding grilled chicken, beans, nuts, seeds, or boiled eggs can transform a simple salad into a balanced meal that provides protein, healthy fats, and long-lasting energy. Our sixth summer food is yogurt. Hot weather sometimes reduces appetite, making it harder to consume enough protein and nutrients. Yogurt provides an easy solution because it's cool, refreshing, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. One of yogurt's greatest benefits comes from its probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy digestive system contributes to better nutrient absorption, stronger immune function, and overall well-being. Yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which supports strong bones and teeth. Many varieties also provide vitamin B12, phosphorus, potassium, and high-quality protein. Protein helps maintain muscle mass, supports recovery after physical activity, and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Choosing plain yogurt instead of heavily sweetened varieties allows you to enjoy its health benefits without consuming excessive added sugars. Our seventh food is zucchini. Zucchini is one of the most versatile vegetables available during summer. It's naturally low in calories yet rich in important nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, manganese, and several antioxidants. Like many summer vegetables, zucchini contains a high percentage of water, helping contribute to daily hydration. Its fiber supports digestive health while promoting stable blood sugar levels and increased satiety. The antioxidants found in zucchini, including lutein and zeaxanthin, are particularly beneficial for eye health. These compounds help protect the eyes from damage caused by harmful light and oxidative stress. Zucchini can be grilled, roasted, sautéed, spiralized into noodles, added to soups, baked into healthy recipes, or eaten raw in salads. Because of its mild flavor, zucchini pairs well with many herbs, spices, lean proteins, and other vegetables, making it an easy addition to countless summer meals. Our eighth and final food is peaches. Peaches are among the most beloved fruits of summer, offering natural sweetness along with an impressive nutritional profile. They're rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and several antioxidant compounds that help protect the body cells from damage. The fiber found in peaches supports healthy digestion while helping regulate appetite. Their high water content also contributes to hydration, making them especially enjoyable during hot afternoons. Peaches contain compounds such as polyphenol and carotenoids, which have antioxidant properties that may help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Their naturally sweet flavor makes them an excellent alternative to processed desserts. Fresh peaches can be enjoyed on their own, sliced into yogurt, added to salads, blended into smoothies, grilled for a unique dessert, or combined with oatmeal for a healthy breakfast. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that no single food provides everything our bodies need. The greatest health benefits come from eating a wide variety of fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables alongside whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Summer gives us access to some of the freshest, most nutritious foods of the year. Watermelon helps keep us hydrated while providing antioxidants. Cucumbers refresh the body and support digestion. Tomatoes deliver powerful lycopene and essential vitamins. Berries offer exceptional antioxidant protection and immune support. Leafy greens provide fiber and an impressive range of nutrients. Yogurt supports gut health and supplies protein and calcium. Zucchini contributes hydration, fiber, and antioxidants. Peaches deliver vitamins, hydration, and natural sweetness. By making these foods a regular part of your summer meals, you can support hydration, maintain energy levels, improve digestion, protect your skin, strengthen your immune system, and enjoy delicious seasonal flavors at the same time. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the best choices are simply the fresh, colorful foods that nature provides exactly when we need them most. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.